hey, Ghostette Dani here. We are at Old Key West on Millers Road. This is a 1-bedroom villa. And we, of course, waited to the last minute again, so I have to make this a super speedy one. I'm gonna hit on some important points, but it is essentially the 2-bedroom villa minus the bedroom that has 2 beds. So you can go check out the 2 videos we have on the 2-bedroom villa, and that will give you the information you need. Bathroom. Right, that'll give you most of the information you need. This is just gonna be minus that bedroom and the bathroom that is inside of it. So here we are in the entryway. Let's go this way pretty quick. So in here, we've got laundry. I used them, they worked great. I will say very loud. Even with the door shut, you hear this wherever you are. So this rack, I have a lot of clothes that don't go in the dryer. I don't know if you do, so this does make a good drying rack option. However, I don't think they cleaned these. It was pretty grimy. I had to clean it before I put my clothes on it. All right, and then here we have the bedroom. Big, very spacious, awesome. We got a king bed, and of course they made us this adorable little hidden Mickey. Bedroom has its own door out onto the terrace. So yep, lamps. Again, details of the bedroom and the other 2 videos just because we are kind of in a hurry. But I am going to show you this time. So we've got this beautiful bathroom area. So that you can see size, I'm actually just going to kind of climb in here. This is big, you guys. Like, I took a bath and I was able to almost lay down. It's wonderful. Like, take some time to relax. I highly recommend it. Good size closet in here. This is actually where we ended up hanging our clothes to dry. We had the 2 bags with the extra pillows and blankets. So vanity sink area right here. Second vanity sink area in here. The toilet is in here. Walk-in shower. Again, my favorite kind of shower head. We've got the rain style. And then this, which you can move up and down the thing and angle. It's got different settings. 2 of us were able to be in there pretty comfortably. Okay. And now, don't knock yourself out, producer Dani. Okay, so then coming back down the hall. So we decided to actually take the opportunity this time to have the beds out. So, Ghostette Lilo, she stayed in the living room. How was it?
It actually was one of the more comfortable sofa mattresses that I've slept on, which was great. So I was really okay with that. I slept like the dead.
Yep. Yep. I love all the windows that they put in these living rooms too. It's so nice. It's so much natural light. It's beautiful. So yeah, much like the other one. So here also goes out onto the terrace. You've got a ton of storage space. Like, I mean, you could really put stuff away and settle into this place for like a long time if you wanted to. So yeah, full kitchen. It is a DVC villa, so we've got all the amenities. We've got adorable little hidden Mickey on the stove.
The ice maker is loud.
Oh, the ice maker is loud. It kind of startled us a couple times.
A few times.
Yep. All the dishes, all the DVC villa things. Yeah, I think those are the biggest points. Like I said, more details in the video with the 2-bedroom villa. It's just gonna be minus. I mean, it quite literally is as if they just chopped off that 2-bed bedroom and the bathroom that was inside of it. So, Old Key West, we've been really happy.
Yeah, this has been great.
It's been really great. It's the nice, quiet area, which is cool. So, yep, I think that's pretty much it. And now we gotta get out before they kick us out. So, check out Hitchhiking Ghostettes.
Yay!